What is recasting? When somebody is recasting their mortgage, or what some call re-amortizing, they are looking to pay extra on their loan as a principal reduction and have their monthly payment adjusted to account for this large payment. With the standard mortgage loan, the loan is fully amortized, which means the payment is preset for the full loan term. Let's say somebody obtains a 30-year fixed-rate loan with a principal and interest payment of $2,500 per month. If they send in extra money towards the principal 1 month, the future monthly payments do not change. It stays at $2,500. But the loan will pay off quicker than the original loan term of 30 years. Any extra payments towards principal will just shorten the loan term from, let's say, a 30-year loan to a 29-year loan, or whatever it would be based upon the extra money that is applied towards principal. But let's say somebody wants to bring in a large principal payment, and instead of shortening the term of the loan, they want their monthly payment to be reduced. This is where a recast comes in. This is not first when somebody sends in an extra $500 or $1,000. It's normally a one-time large payment. Most loans allow for this as an alternative to a refinance, but it's smart to ask the lender about the rules or guidelines. A refinance is a great way to adjust your payment, but only when rates are lower. But if rates are not low enough to make a refinance pencil out, a recast is a great solution. What happens is that the large principal payment is applied, and then the new payment is calculated by taking the outstanding balance and the remaining loan term to generate a new payment. The most common reason people do this is when they buy a new house before selling their current home. Perhaps the client could put down 30% if they sold the home first, but to avoid selling first or doing a contingent transaction, they go with a smaller down payment like 10%. But then after they sell their home, they get the sale proceeds, and then they can send in that money and request a recast to lower their payment. Now, something important is to bring up here is you don't hear a lot about recasting, and that's often because many lenders will prefer to do a refinance. However, that may not always be the best solution for the client. If the interest rates have increased or even about stayed the same, recasting is going to be the way to go. On the other hand, if a buyer has a loan rate that is well above the current market rates, then recasting may not be the smartest move, and we'd look at refinancing. Either way, this is why it's important to talk to a trusted lender who will give the best advice. If you would like me to review a specific scenario, please feel free to call or text me at 925-395-4212. Thanks so much.